Guys, the day has finally come. We finally got a bigger round brush attachment for the Dyson Airwrap. Ouch, this thing is heavy. I am so excited about this, guys, and unfortunately the round brush is not available to purchase separately, so I did end up buying the whole thing. But this also brings a diffuser attachment, which is also new. And so this is kind of more for like curly hair. But yeah, I don't regret buying it at all because I didn't have the new one and I ended up getting it before and then I returned it because it was almost like the same thing as the old one. So I didn't find a need to keep it. But now with these new attachments, I'm like, okay, maybe I'll keep this one. We'll see. But yeah, let's try this out. This retails for $600. So give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and you already know, help me out. So let's open this up. Wow. This is so heavy. This case is just like the other one, very big and beautiful. And yeah, it's perfect to store your Dyson Airwrap in here. This is the diffuser attachment. I like that it's kind of like a little bit tilted, like has a little bit of an angle. So it's not like super straight like this, so it'll be a little bit uncomfortable to use. So I like that it has a little bit of an angle. If you guys want me to compare this to the SUPERSONIC diffuser, let me know in the comments down below. I can totally do that. But today I'm not going to be using this. I am only going to be using the round brush attachment because I'm just going to try to do like a nice blowout with it. That's the attachment that I'm most excited about. But yeah, this is the hair tool. Oh my god. So beautiful. So I just did a quick unboxing over at TikTok. If you guys want to check out my TikTok, this is my TikTok right here. I post so much more on there even than YouTube sometimes. So yeah, definitely check out my TikTok. But here is the round brush attachment. Guys, this is way bigger than the original. This is the original. I just cannot believe that we waited so long to get this beautiful big round brush attachment. Like I really wanted this, but as you can see, the size difference is insane. So I hope that I'm able to get a quick blowout with this, and I hope that it smooths out my curly hair super well. I did want to mention that it also brings this attachment, which I actually have not tried, for the Dyson Airwrap, and it brings this paddle brush attachment, which is nice to have too. It also brings the flyaway attachment and of course the curling barrel. So I'm going to use the IGK Good Behavior 4-in-1 prep spray just to prep my hair. I'm gonna add a little bit of that to all my hair. I really wanted to use products today that I have used a lot before and that work for me. So yeah, this one is perfect for today. All right, let's get right into it. First impressions on this section. Highest heat setting, highest speed. Let's do this. Okay. This feels so weird. It feels so different. I don't think you guys understand the excitement right now. Look at all the hair that I'm able to grab. Wow. Okay, let's do a couple more passes. So far, it's drying my hair very quickly. I love the Dyson Airwrap. It's a great blow dryer. It was just the attachments that I feel like I wasn't able to really love for blowouts, you know? But let's see how this one works. Yeah, I could tell you right now, this is a lot better for me than the other round brush attachment. Like for blowouts, this is doing exactly what I needed to do. Wow. There you have it. Look at that section. It looks pretty good. I still have to do all my hair. You guys already know. I have to do all my hair and then I'll give you guys my thoughts at the end. But so far, I definitely like this more than the original round brush. I mean, this wasn't doing much for me and it was just too small. So do I like this more than the small one? Already I do, just because of the size. Like it's just a lot more convenient. It's better for me. So I'm gonna actually do a little curl with this attachment because it's been a while since I've used the new attachment for the Dyson Airwrap, and it's so cool that you just need one curling barrel. Before you had one for each side, but with this one you're able to switch directions, so you just need one barrel, which is super nice. So I'm gonna curl this section. Just feeling a little curl today. Wow, awesome. Just doing this section though. I'm gonna do a nice blowout for all my hair because I really want to put that round brush to the test. Super nice. Wow, I love that. I'm so tempted to just like curl all my hair. That is so nice. I'm not gonna curl all my hair though because I just want a nice blowout today. But yeah, the Dyson Airwrap, it's a nice hair tool. So far I do like this new round brush attachment, but I have to do all my hair. You guys already know the drill. I gotta do all my hair and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. But yeah, so far I really do like this round brush. But I'm gonna actually start a timer now because I really want to do like a quick blowout. I'm gonna start a timer and let's see how long it takes me to do all my hair. So what I like about this round brush so far is that since it is a bigger round brush, I'm able to dry my hair a lot quicker and I'm able to take pretty big sections, which is something that I couldn't do with the original round brush because it was so small. I also tried to create some curls with this brush just to kind of give my hair a little bit more bounce on the ends. And then for the bangs, I did try to dry them upward just to give myself more volume at the top. And yeah, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I actually really like it and it took me only like 42 minutes to do all my hair, which is not bad at all. Let me show you guys. It took me about 42 minutes to dry all my hair. So yeah, this round brush is definitely gonna dry your hair a lot quicker than the other one, and I don't have to be switching out attachments anymore. That was making me waste so much time before. I used to use this attachment and then the round brush attachment to give myself a little bit more volume and bounce. But yeah, I don't have to do that anymore. Now I can just do all my hair with this attachment. So yeah, I think this is a great upgrade to the original round brush. I feel like this is a lot better. I do like it more and I really do like the results. This side of my hair is curlier than this side and I feel like it still looks pretty smooth on this side as well. And I haven't used anything else. Like if I wanted to use a heated round brush to just kind of lock in the style a little bit more, I can do that as well. So not only is this like a nice first step to like any blowout routine, but it is also a nice blowout. Like if I wanted to leave my hair like this, I can totally do that as well. The only thing is that in the summer my blowouts do not last. So I mean, now we're good because, you know, the weather's a little bit cooler, so this blowout shouldn't get frizzy. But sometime in the summer, I do need to use a little bit of a straightener or another hair tool so that my hair doesn't get frizzy. And if I do feel like my hair is going to get frizzy, I might just use a straightener on the roots and then curl the rest of my hair with this attachment. So yeah, I'll play with it and see what I do. But so far, I really do like the results. I do feel like this attachment is worth it, and I do like my Dyson Airwrap a lot more now than before. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. I can't wait to play with this more. I can't wait to use the diffuser attachment as well. I love this new kit because it's like made for curly hair, and I feel like that's what we were missing. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know if you guys want me to compare this hair tool to any other hair tool, maybe the new T3. Oh my god, there's so many cool hair tools coming out now. I just can't keep up. There's so many. But anyways, I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next video.